So here we are, we're at Red Robin, right? You see him? No? Did you see him? Caleb, what did you get to eat? What did you get to eat?
Nothing.
One day you're going to wish you had looked at the camera and spoke it, because you're going to be older. You're going to be older. You're going to be in college, and you're going to be out of high school, and you'll look back and say, wow, that was me back then, but I wouldn't talk, or I wouldn't look at the camera.
You're narrating everything for us.
What?
You're not saying anything. You're saying everything for us.
Well, no, I'm not. I asked you to talk, and y'all always look away, especially Caleb. Well, you and I interacting here. So what do you think, Caleb?
There's a bird.
Okay, all right. This is a bad idea. Okay. This is a bad idea.
I'm just asking, what do you want me to say?
You can say whatever you want.
Okay, I'm in a freshman.
Caleb's picking his nose on purpose.
I'm a freshman in high school, and I'm in humanities. And
Yes,
it's
you
a
are.
lot of work.
All right, here.
Narratives is a pain in the butt.
And you like humanities?
Yes.
All right, Caleb, here, I'm going to put it on you, and I'm sure you're going to say something really, so say something now. What do you think about things going on? Let's hear what you got to say. This will be good. You'll say, I hate everything. I hate food. I hate
Caleb hates
So
trains.
anyway, so go ahead. What do you want to say? And there you have it. All right, now y'all get together. I'm gonna take a picture, okay? Get close together. Take a picture. I'll take a picture. Okay. Look at you guys. Smile, Kayla. Good one.